Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, this will probably just be a quickie. It occurred to me the other day that I have accumulated a whole mess of molds that I keep for extra resin when I'm doing a cup or some other project. And I fill these molds with just little bits of extra resin now and then. And eventually they fill up and I unmold them and see what I've got. And I've just been putting them aside instead of demolding them. So now I have a whole mess, as you can see here. So we're going to take the time to demold them. This will probably mostly happen in fast mo. So it won't get too boring, but I thought it would be fun to see what I've accumulated, because I don't know. I have my tub of soapy water. I've let it sit long enough that most of the soap suds are gone, but it is soapy water. Turn it like this. There we go. And yeah, we're just gonna watch me struggle with these, because some of these I know from having unmolded them previously are really, 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 really tough to get out of the mold. Hence the soapy water, but it will still be a bit of a struggle. And then we'll do sort of a, I don't know, little fashion show at the end. Let's see what I've come up with. Reinforced some things here. And yes, I realize that these are all going to get wet anyway, in spite of the gloves, but I just, you know, a little extra protection. And then I'll strip all the wet bandages off and put dry bandages on, and then we'll do the review of all the creatures. Oh my gosh. I did not realize this was gonna bust my knuckles quite so bad, but then again, I've never done this many unmoldings before of these knuckle buster types. So here we go. See if I can get this dang skull out. Woo! Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna go clean all these guys off and rebandage all my fingers and we'll do our little ending fashion show. Stay tuned. Well, the sun may come back. It's gone for now, or half gone, but I wanted to show you, oh, there it is. Show you my little guys from our demolding. My knuckles are finally starting to heal. She says as she has that one right there. Not a knuckle. That was a flesh wound. Anyway, I've got my cute little effluent, a cute little bunny rabbit. I love how this turned out. I'm not sure if I was this clever when I actually poured the gold in there, but it got his face, and then the rest of him is a holographic clear. I just love that wolf. Look at that, isn't that cool? And same with the lion. The lion's sort of a mishmash, but then if you hold it just right, he's got this glorious gold mane behind him. I love that. What else? I love how this elephant turned out. It's a trinket tray of sorts. This was really hard to get out of the mold. I kind of like how the layers look. He certainly is a jazzy, snazzy guy, isn't he? I guess snazzy. I'm not sure what the white drips are all about. Something I dripped down into the mold. Looks cool though. Oops, sorry, out of frame. My bad. But I like it. And he sparkles on the side. Got my little bear. Love these. I love these molds. They're actually called cute little animal molds or something like that. Very appropriate. Very sparkly. And of course, another unicorn. I have like 5 of these unicorns now because I can't stop making them. They're so cute. You make great chess pieces, I think, don't you? Just beautiful. And adorable. Okay, we have a little reindeer. This was my first, I think this was my first reindeer. It is really, really hard getting the mold over this humongous head when you're trying to demold it. Just, my God, my hand arthritis was just screaming. Couldn't tell that in the video. Just mentioning it. If you have bad hand arthritis, you do not want to be unmolding these yourself, I don't think. It hurts a lot. And then finally my skull. Now this has a matte surface on the mold because it has so much detail. I don't know if you can see that or not. It has a lot of detail, so there's nothing shiny about it. Even the sparkly parts aren't particularly sparkly. But it still looks so cool, doesn't it? Isn't that just so cool looking? I love it. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to take any waxes to it. I'm just going to leave it just like this. I love it. Absolutely love it. So there they are. Back there. There. Just my little menagerie. Thank you so much for joining me for this very short unmolding. I just wanted you to see some of the fun stuff I have left over after I do the tumblers that you watch me do. So there you go. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.